Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of aerial photography and videography with our list of the top 5 best dual-camera drones. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or just an enthusiast looking to capture stunning aerial footage, these drones have got you covered. So let's jump right in. Kicking off our list is the QJS-150 dual-camera drone. The QJS-150 dual-camera drone is a powerful and versatile aerial photography and videography tool that delivers stunning visuals and smooth operation. With its 8K HD video recording capability, this drone captures breathtaking footage with incredible detail and lifelike clarity. Whether you're shooting professional-grade photography or immersive videography, the QJS-150 ensures you get the shot every time. One of the standout features of this drone is its complete omnidirectional sensing system, which enables safe and smooth operation even in complex environments. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or flying in challenging conditions, this drone's advanced sensing technology ensures you have full control and confidence in your flights. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, the QJS-150 provides stable and reliable control signals, ensuring a seamless flying experience with minimal interference. This allows you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about signal loss or disruptions. Equipped with electronic image stabilization, this drone compensates for camera movements and vibrations, delivering smoother and more stable videos even in windy conditions or during high-speed maneuvers. This ensures your footage is always professional-looking and free from distortion. The QJS-150 also supports Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to control and monitor the drone's flight path and camera operation from a distance. Whether you're conducting real-time monitoring or live streaming your flights, this feature provides added convenience and flexibility. The QJS-150 dual-camera drone is a top-of-the-line aerial photography and videography solution that delivers exceptional performance and versatility. With its advanced features, stable operation, and stunning image quality, it's the perfect tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike to unleash their creativity and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Next up, we have the Lyzrc CL900 dual-camera drone. The Lyzrc CL900 dual-camera drone is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography, offering a lightweight and intuitive flying experience that's perfect for beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of this drone is its compact and lightweight design, which is comparable to that of a mobile phone. This means that the L900 Pro meets the weight requirements of most countries and regions for micro-drones, allowing you to take off without the need for registration in places like the United States and Canada. Plus, its foldable design makes it easy to pack into a backpack, ensuring you can take it with you wherever you go. The redesigned L900 Pro brings simplicity and ease of use to the forefront, with a user-friendly interface that makes flying a breeze. Whether you're a novice pilot or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate the intuitive controls and helpful flight teaching features that make it easier than ever to master flying skills quickly. Safety is a top priority with the Lyzrc CL900 dual-camera drone. Thanks to its GPS satellite return technology, this feature ensures that the drone automatically launches satellite signals, returns home in case of loss of control or low power, and can even return from long distances. With this peace of mind, you can fly confidently knowing that your drone is equipped to handle any situation. But the real magic of the L900 Pro lies in its ability to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Whether you're recording daily life or exploring new perspectives, this drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. With the easy-to-use app, you can fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the world from a whole new angle. The Lyzrc CL900 dual-camera drone is a versatile and user-friendly aerial photography and videography tool that's perfect for capturing breathtaking moments from above. With its lightweight design, intuitive controls, and advanced safety features, it's the perfect companion for exploring the skies and unlocking your creativity. Coming in at number 3 is the QJS-2S dual-camera drone. The QJS-2S dual-camera drone is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography, offering professional-grade features and stunning visuals that will take your footage to new heights. At the heart of this drone is its professional 4K camera, which captures high-quality aerial footage with unparalleled clarity and detail. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, you'll appreciate the stunning visuals that this camera delivers. But the QJS-2S doesn't stop there. It also features a dual camera setup, allowing you to capture different perspectives simultaneously. This feature opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture more of your surroundings and tell richer, more immersive stories with your footage. Safety is a top priority with the QJS2S, thanks to its obstacle avoidance technology and complete omnidirectional sensing system. This ensures a safe and seamless flight experience, allowing you to navigate with confidence and avoid accidents. With a maximum flight time of 20 minutes, you can enjoy extended exploration and capture stunning aerial footage without worrying about running out of battery life. Plus, its lightweight and foldable design make it easy to carry and store, making it perfect for on-the-go travel and convenient storage. The Wisconsin Fi connection allows for smooth control and real-time transmission, giving you the ability to operate the drone remotely and experience the thrill of flight from a whole new perspective. And with 4 control channels, you can enjoy precise control and responsive maneuverability, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable flying experience every time. The QJS2S dual-camera drone is a versatile and powerful aerial photography and videography tool that offers professional-grade features and stunning visuals. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or just looking to capture stunning aerial footage, this drone has everything you need to take your creativity to new heights. Our runner-up is the Mijia V88 dual-camera drone. The Mijia V88 dual-camera drone, a cutting-edge aerial photography and videography solution designed to capture stunning visuals and provide an unparalleled flying experience. At the forefront of this drone's capabilities is its front lens with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi paired with an optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom. This combination allows for seamless switching of camera angles, ensuring you capture every angle of your aerial adventures with breathtaking clarity. Plus, the servo gimbal design enhances stability, while EI's electronic image stabilization ensures your footage is smooth and clear, even during high-speed maneuvers. Equipped with altitude fixing mode and optical flow positioning, the Mijia V88 ensures stable flight and precise control, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. With a 3.7 V2200 mAh lithium-ion battery providing up to 25 minutes of flight time, you'll have ample opportunity to explore and capture stunning aerial footage. But what truly sets the Mijia V88 apart is its customizable route feature, allowing you to draw your desired flight path directly on the app. Combined with gesture photography, one-key return, headless mode, and other advanced flight modes, this drone offers unparalleled control and versatility. Safety is also a top priority with obstacle avoidance gimbal components and 720-deg omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Plus, the brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life, while 5 GHz anti-interference technology and 6-axis gyroscope ensure stable flight and precise control. The Mijia V88 dual-camera drone is a powerful and versatile aerial photography and videography tool that offers professional-grade features and stunning visuals. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or simply looking to capture stunning aerial footage, this drone has everything you need to elevate your creativity and capture the world from a whole new perspective. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Xiaomi V168 dual-camera drone. The Xiaomi V168 dual-camera drone, a revolutionary aerial companion that combines advanced features with ease of use for an unparalleled flying experience. The drone's foldable arms make it compact and portable, perfect for taking on your adventures wherever you go. With GPS positioning mode, you can enjoy more accurate flight control, ensuring precise navigation and stable flight performance. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi function, the Xiaomi V168 connects seamlessly to the accompanying app, allowing you to take photos and videos in real time through your mobile phone's camera. With a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 3,000 meters, you can explore the world from new heights and capture stunning aerial footage in breathtaking HD quality. Choose between 4K, 6K, or 8K HD cameras to suit your photography and videography needs, while altitude hold mode ensures stable flight for smooth and clear footage. Take your creativity to new heights with orbital movement and waypoint flight mode, allowing you to capture unique angles and follow custom flight paths effortlessly. With a flight time of up to 22 to 25 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture your surroundings. And with features like one-touch return, one-touch takeoff landing, and low-power protection, flying the Xiaomi V168 is both safe and intuitive. Interference immunity technology and a 6-axis gyroscope ensure stable flight and precise control, while LED lights provide visibility and style during night flights. Plus, with 3 flight speed switch levels, you can customize your flying experience to suit your skill level and preferences. The Xiaomi V168 dual-camera drone is a versatile and reliable aerial companion that offers advanced features, stunning HD imagery, and intuitive controls for an unforgettable flying experience. With its compact design, long flight time, and robust construction, it's the perfect choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage and exploring the world from a whole new perspective.